Alright guys, just a real quick video on a tractor that I just picked up a couple days ago. I just bought this John Deere 318. It's a 1985 model. It's in pretty good shape. I'm looking to get another one of these for a while. I still have the 214 that I use for a lot of different stuff, but I wanted to pick up another tractor that I could use primarily for mowing. For right now, that's probably what this tractor will do unless I decide to go ahead and get more attachments for it. Right now, the only attachment it has is a 46-inch deck. I don't have anything else for it, no 3-point or anything like that. But overall, it's in really nice shape, runs really well. I'm going to start that up now. So yeah, it runs pretty good. I got a lot of maintenance parts ordered for it. Did find one engine oil leak. It looks like it's behind the oil filter adapter, so I got a new seal for that on the way too. So hopefully in the next few videos here you'll see a little bit more work with this tractor. Other than the oil leak, it could use a new seat, as you can see. The gas cap needs replaced. It's actually, the cap's in good shape, but the float seems to be messed up on it because it's got a full tank in it right now and it's showing empty. But other than that, there's two mismatched front tires I need to change. But overall, it's a pretty clean tractor. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.